Hey guys, it's Brendan here, aka Brenbo, back with a new video, and today we have a box, a new modification for the GTR. And on this box, it says fragile everywhere, so let's open this. This box took 3 weeks to get here from Taiwan, but I'm super excited to open this. Do this with one hand. I already know what's in the box, obviously. And right away, you can see it's from Speed. And if you guys don't know about Speed, they make a lot of GTR parts. Well, it's a box inside of a box, which is completely fine because like it says, it's fragile. Fragile. We have more fragile writing on here, but let's reveal the piece. Oh, she is beautiful. This is carbon fiber AC panel for the interior. This is the piece that the carbon fiber is going to go on. As you guys can see, it's all plastic, pretty cheap feeling. And on the newer 2014 GTRs, this actually comes with carbon fiber, but it's dry carbon fiber. And I wanted to get gloss just to match the steering wheel, which is already gloss carbon and looks amazing. So it'll just be another piece of carbon to add to the interior. So before I put this on, I'm going to clean the surface, even though I know it's pretty clean. And then I'm going to stick the piece on, and you guys will see how well this piece fits. I'm just going to take some rubbing alcohol and a microfiber and clean this piece up. Here is the finished product. This turned out absolutely amazing and matches the carbon fiber steering wheel, which you guys can't really see that well with this light. And like I said, the 2014s have the dry carbon fiber, which I'll put a picture up now. But I really like this gloss. It just pops a lot more. It fits all the buttons perfectly. If you guys didn't know, you would think this was stock. It was one of the easiest installations I've done on the GTR, but changed the interior a ton. Because like I said, it was just so plain right here with all the black plastic. But now you got the metal down here, the carbon fiber up here, and then obviously like the navigation screen. But just this sets off the whole middle of the interior so much. So the carbon piece looks amazing, but it was not cheap just because it's so thin to make it fit so well, and the buttons can kind of pop out and they're easy to press. I totally recommend it. It's from Speed. They're known for their side skirts on the GTR that are made of carbon fiber. So just a little update on the GTR. It's been in the garage the past like 3 months. It's like 2 months till spring. I can finally drive it. I cannot wait. But I have been making TikToks on the car. If you guys didn't know, I'll drop the TikTok below. And I've been doing something pretty interesting with the car on TikTok. First, I'll have to pop the trunk. You guys already know what this is if you are on my TikTok. So as we open the trunk, you guys will see I've been writing names on the air tank. And these are all my followers on TikTok. Please focus camera. And I've been doing this every single day, at least 3 times. And a lot of people seem to enjoy it. And as you guys know, this is a raw aluminum tank. So it's meant to get painted, but instead of painting it, I was like, I can just write your guys' names on here. You guys can just always be along with me when I'm driving the car. So eventually we'll have this whole tank filled. I've been doing this for only about 4 days now. And obviously this is gonna fill pretty quick because I have a lot of you guys that follow me and I deeply appreciate it. So that's kind of what's been going on lately. Not a ton since it's winter. I want to get more modifications to make more videos so the winter is not so boring, but I cannot wait till the spring with car meets, more modifications, and just driving the car. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. It lets me know you guys want me to make more videos like this and put more mods on the GTR. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already because you're missing out on quite a lot, especially in the summer. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.